This video is going to cover question 6, part B from the 2021 AP Calculus AB free response no calculator allowed portion of the test. I cover A, B, C, and not pictured in this D in their own separate videos, so if you want to see any of my other solutions, feel free to check out those other videos, but this video is only going to talk about part B here. So diving into part B says using correct units, interpret this limit statement here. So they're not actually asking us to do any real math here. They just want to make sure we understand what limit notation is saying to us. So this says limit as t approaches infinity of a of t equals 12. So when we look at this bottom part here, as t approaches infinity, what that's saying is for large values of t, or the long-term behavior, because what's happening is t is going to infinity, so t is getting huge. And so this is kind of like a horizontal asymptote, if you want to think about it that way. So over the long haul, over large periods of t, the answer is always over here. This is a y value. And so what it's saying is over large periods of t, we're going to head towards that y value. So what does the y value mean? That's where you got to come over and kind of look into the language of the problem. So the y value is the same as a of t, and that's talking to us about the amount in milligrams of medication in the patient. So over large periods of t, you would say the amount of medication in the patient will be 12, and then we use the units. The units on this were milligrams, so would be 12 milligrams. And that's all they're looking for this answer here. So what you want to do is you would say, as this x piece is happening, this graph is going to tend towards this y value information. So, you use your own language to describe large values of t. You can say over time, over large periods of t, large periods of time, the amount of medication in the patient will be 12 milligrams. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please click that like button and subscribe. And also share it with your friends and anyone else you know who might be crying about an upcoming AP Calc test. You can find more videos from me, more sample AP Calc questions, and my complete AP Calc study guide over at my website, apcalcprep.com. Have a great one.